In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix beginning balance errors in QuickBooks Online. Let's dive right in and get your accounts in order with these straightforward steps. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Transactions option on the left side of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you click there, you'll see a set of options appear. From here, you're going to head over to the Chart of Accounts tab. This is your main directory for all the accounts you have set up within QuickBooks. It's like your financial filing cabinet, ready to help you locate any account you need. Now, the next step involves selecting the specific account that's showing this pesky beginning balance error. Once you've located the account, you'll need to click on View Register. It's an essential step because this will allow you to review all the entries and transactions linked to that account. By examining this register, we can hone in on any discrepancies or issues that might be causing your balance error. Once you're in the register, look for the beginning balance entry. You'll need to click on this entry to be able to edit it. This is where the real correction begins. By clicking to edit, you open up a small window of opportunity to amend that balance to reflect the correct figures. Carefully input the correct beginning balance for that account. Double-check your figures here to ensure accuracy, as this change will impact how other transactions are reported. After you've modified the beginning balance as needed, you'll simply click Save. It's vital to remember this step because hitting save ensures your hard work isn't lost, and the corrected balance is updated in your records. And there you go. You've just successfully fixed a beginning balance error in QuickBooks Online. Thanks to this process, you can now enjoy more accurate financial reporting and a clearer picture of your business's financial health. Remember, keeping your accounts in check is essential for maintaining organization and making informed financial decisions. With a little attention to detail in these steps, you're well on your way to maintaining pristine account records. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and solutions. Happy bookkeeping, everyone!